In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix references in Google Docs. If a citation in your document has the wrong author, title, or date, or your bibliography doesn't match your sources, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to correct the original entry so your citations stay accurate and consistent. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. You can type Google Docs into the search bar and press Enter. This is helpful if you don't have the direct link bookmarked or you're using a new device. In the results, look for the official Google Docs link from docs.google.com. Avoid ads or third-party tools that might appear at the top. Clicking the official link ensures you're in the right place with all the built-in features you need. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your Google account. Make sure you choose the account that owns or has access to the document you want to edit, especially if you switch between work and personal accounts. Once you're in, open your document. You can pick it from the recent files list or find it through Google Drive. Wait for the document to fully load so all menus and sidebars are available. At the top of the screen, click Tools in the main menu. This is where Google Docs keeps utilities related to writing, formatting, and research. From that menu, select Citations. A sidebar will open on the right side of your document. This panel lists your saved sources and shows the citation style set for the document. If your window is narrow, you might need to widen it or scroll to see everything clearly. In the Citations panel, move your mouse over the source you need to fix. This helps you confirm you're selecting the correct entry, especially if you have several sources with similar titles or multiple works by the same author. When you hover, you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to the source. Click those dots to open more options. This is the More Actions menu specific to that source. Choose Edit. This opens the source details so you can update what's incorrect. Now correct the information in the fields, then click Save Source. Double-check names, capitalization, publication year, titles, page ranges, and URLs. Make sure author order is accurate and matches the style you're using. After you save, the updated source is stored with your document, and any future in-text citations and your work cited or bibliography generated from this source will use the corrected details. If something still looks off, reopen the editor and verify each field carefully. That's it. Repeat these steps for any other sources that need attention, and your references will be clean, consistent, and ready to share or submit.